Anti-Aging Serum, and we have 3 times Retinol Anti-Aging Moisturizer. Guys, may gradual na pag-brighten ng skin. Walang instant, no? Wala akong sensitivity na experience, but I'm really cautious na pwede mo siyang gamitin on a daily basis. But if you are dry skin, mas magugustuhan mo to. Kasi dapat lang na mas mura siya kasi hindi naman talaga ganun kadami yung content niya per container. Go for Innisfree na retinol, Cica Retinol or Retinol Cica. Yung from Lux Organics, yung vitamin A, pwede din yun. Hey guys, beautiful day! Happy New Year! As you can see sa background ko, bagong calendar na guys, 2025 na, but the video or the review that I'll be sharing to you today is a update lang ng na-review kong product from the last year, 2024. I'm sorry, hindi ako naka-update agad. I just figured na kailangan kong i-update kayo with this product kasi maganda siya. And also, may nag-comment na nagtanong siya kung may update ba ako. And I believe, and I'm confident enough na na-share ko naman ng mabuti ang differences ng dalawang product na to from Papafil. It is from their retinol line. So, we have right here, Papafil 3 times Retinol Anti-Aging Serum, and we have 3 times Retinol Anti-Aging Moisturizer. So, both are retinol products, both are anti-aging products. It's just that serum ito naman moisturizing cream. May konting difference lang. Ililink ko lang down below if you want to watch a thorough comparison of these two. So, ito is for firming, anti-yellowing, fades, fine lines, and wrinkles. This one naman is reduce wrinkles and improves elasticity. So, sa dalawang product na to, mas nagamit ko si serum. Ubus ko si serum, guys. Siguro, wala pa 2 months, ubus ko na siya. Kasi after a week or 2 na every other day ko siyang ginagamit, inaraw-araw ko na siya after week 2. Yeah, inaraw-araw ko na siya. So now, eto yung ginagamit ng husband ko. Mas nagamit niya kaysa sa akin. Nagamit ko lang to ng ilang beses. Meron lang time na feeling ko pagod na pagod ako. Kaya I treated myself with a skincare na may retinol ingredient. Pero ang napansin ko sa husband ko, it has that plumping effect and also mas firm din yung cheeks niya compared sa hindi niya ginagamit ang product na to. With this one naman, with the serum naman, sa time na ginamit ko to, guys, may gradual na pag-brighten ng skin. Walang instant, no? But it does the job. And gentle lang din yung pagka-retinol niya. Wala akong purging na experience. Wala akong sensitivity na experience. But I'm really cautious. And I'm really conscious and consistent sa paggamit ng sunscreen. Lalo na kapag ginagamit ko to during daytime. Yun lang naman talaga eh. We just need to protect our skin pag gumagamit tayo ng retinol. But the good thing with products from Papafil is that hindi na ganun ka-strong yung retinol niya na pwede mo siyang gamitin on a daily basis after 2 weeks, after a week or 2, and pwede mo rin siyang gamitin day and night. So, it's up to you na lang kung anong mas prefer mo, yung serum ba na mas lightweight or yung cream ba na mas matagal yung moisturizing effect. Hindi ko masasabing sobrang thick to, okay lang, tama lang, lightweight lang din. But if you are dry skin, mas magugustuhan mo to kasi parang mas matagal siya yung moisturizing effect niya on the skin compared to this one. But for oily skin type, like me, mas prefer ko yung serum kasi mas magaan sa mukha, tas pwede ka pang mag-layer ng tinted sunscreen or sunscreen kung gagamitin mo siya in the morning. But eto lang guys, when it comes to price, yes, nakakamura ka because nasa 200 plus lang to, and also this one, or 300 plus sometimes. But Papafil always offer promos and bundles, so mabibili mo lang siya ng dalawang product na 500 plus na, compared to other brands na yung 500 plus mo or yung 600 plus mo is one product lang for 30 ml or 30 grams. So, mas mahal yun. But, with these two products na 20 ml and this one naman 30 grams. I can say na tama lang yung price. Dapat lang na mas mura siya kasi hindi naman talaga ganun kadami yung content niya per container. And also, another thing is yung mga effect or yung result na nabibigay niya on my skin is nakakuha ko rin or na-experience ko rin from products na wala namang retinol. So, what I'm trying to say is, na-achieve yung mga gusto kong ma-achieve ng skin ko without using retinol products from this brand. So, if you want na yung lifted talaga yung face nyo, yung, alam nyo yung, hindi yung banat siya, but banat in the sense na hindi, walang peeling, or hindi masakit. Tapos clear na clear yung skin mo. Just like for example, gamit mo siya ngayon, tapos bukas kita mo talaga yung effect. Go for Innisfree na retinol, Cica retinol or retinol Cica. Na-try ko kasi yun guys. At may na-achieve siyang hindi na-achieve ng mga product na to. And also, the other retinol that I've tried from Skintific, which is this one. And again, if I haven't mentioned yet, yung packaging nila almost the same. Sometimes I thought of, baka ni-rebrand lang, same lang ang manufacturing nila, di ba? Manufacturer nila. Tapos, iba lang yung brand, di ba? Kasi pareho talaga sila ng packaging with Skintific. Kaso lang yung kay Skintific is Gentle A. They market it as a gentle retinol. Pero wala na ata sa Skintific. Yung meron sila is retinol pa rin, but renewal, something like that. Hindi na Gentle A. So, wala na tong product na to sa kanila. And also, meron din yung from Lux Organics, yung vitamin A. Pwede din yun, guys. Alternative to this one na kung gusto nyo i-treat yung self nyo, gusto nyo mag-invest ng skincare, you don't mind the price, 1,000 above na 30 ml lang, go for Innisfree. If you're on a budget, go for Lux Organics. They have retinol also, the cream and the serum type, but that I haven't tried yet, hindi ko pa na-review. Yung na-review ko is yung vitamin A. Link ko down below yung review ko with that one. Kaya ako sinasabi yan guys, kasi mas mura, merong mas mahal na mas maganda talaga yung effect. And meron namang mas mura na mas okay din yung effect and accessible pa kasi mabibili mo lang sa Watson stores. This one lang kasi is that the packaging is much more fancier. Yes, maganda siya. And also, yung pagka-market niya, promising din kasi maraming ingredients, tapos marami na rin nagha-hype na content creators na nagre-review nito. Kaya napapabili tayo. But if you ask me, honestly, kahit hindi nyo ko i-ask, since this is an updated review, you can experience what I have experienced with this product sa mga mas mura pang. So, recap lang. It has that smoothening, brightening, and plumping effect. The serum one. The cream one, it has that firming, plumping effect as well. And moisturizing, long-lasting moisturizing effect. But, merong mga products na walang retinol na ma-achieve mo yung mga benefits na yon and effects na yon on your skin na mas cheaper pa and mas pwedeng same lang din ang price pero mas marami yung content. And also, merong mga accessible brands, local brands just like Lux Organics na mas mura na may retinol din na pwede nyong i-purchase at i-try. And also, if you want na mas maganda pa talaga yung effect na retinol din, I can recommend the Innisfree one kasi yun talaga yung na-try ko at yun ang gusto kong balikan. Pero kaso nga lang dahil 1,000 plus ang 30 ml lang, hindi ko siya na-prioritize na bilhin. Kaya, this is a good alternative. Kahit hindi ganon kasimilar yung effect na mabibigay niya from the brand na mas expensive and mas maganda yung effect, this is good enough for daily use, for those na beginners sa retinol, and also budget-friendly din siya. And palagi din nagpo-promo si Papa Phil. Ayan. So, link ko na lang down below yung mga products and yung first review ko with this one and other alternative skincare products na na-review ko. Ililink ko down below. And also, kung saan nyo to mapopurchase, Shopee and Lazada. And also, if you're following me on TikTok, nasa TikTok shop din to. So, kung makita nyo yung review ko with this one, ako yun guys. Jaya Chen pa rin ako sa TikTok. So, you can purchase using my yellow basket or my links down below. I think that's it for today's video. Again, happy 2025. Subscribe if you haven't yet. And see you on the next skincare video. Bye!